guys, good afternoon. Time check. Philippine time is 2:50. But here is 1:50, no? May mga bike, pwede pala yung mga bike. I don't know, baka service ng crew or you can pwede mo rin ma-service. Ito yung ano. Guys, yan palang yung elephant riding dyan, no? Sila guys during sang buffet lunch. Nagko-cook yan sila guys, no? Nagko-cook. But bangka pala ito guys yung sinasakyan nila. Yan, nagko-cook sila, no? Yung another one, no? Bangka rin sinasakyan niya. Para mag-cook na siya nito. Yan, it's free guys. So, look at it. It's free. Dito yan guys, pwede ka kumuha. Kumain. Ito masarap guys. Kamuti. Kamuti na may lunga guys. Sarap. Still cooking. Oh, that's banana. Banana.
Banana.
Oh yeah. I'll try this one. I can get. No? Because kanina it's kamuti yung nakuha ko. This time she cook banana. And the other one, you can have your soup. It's also free. Hello. Hi to my vlog. Okay. Dito, ganun din yung luto niya. Inano na natin kung anong luto niya. At dito, hindi na ako nakapunta dito na side. I don't know what she cooks. Same. Same. Hey. Oh, yan na nakikita dito guys. Oh. So, I'm gonna go out inside. Go back inside. Para naman. This is part of the Asian city. So, punta ako doon. Sorry ha. Alis na kami. Kasi, dance sila guys. Ano? Mga table doon yung ibang it's free. But you have to buy ice cream. Ice cream. Okay. CR? Okay. Excuse me, funny. Is that for free? That's for free? Oh, no, for driver? For driver. Oh, okay. Yan kanina guys, lahat dyan. Free. Ang ganyan dito. So, tapos ng kumain, kasi ano pa, naiwan na lang yung iba. So, good afternoon. God bless you. Still eating, oh. Them still eating. Eating still.